At Birmingham New Street station, that's the train station where you can catch train to various cities from Birmingham to London, Liverpool, Manchester, Wales, wherever you like to. I'll quickly show you, tour you around. It's very convenient. Look at the station. The station got all the facilities, and a lot of building work is going on around in Birmingham. And job opportunities are better, cost of living is low. If anybody want to study in Birmingham, UK, please contact us. Thank you.